Hi guys, now I have opened this water heater of boiler of iron, steam iron. So let me tell you first this here. This is with two power incomes, so two times one phase here, and this is a second one that is used as a second source. This is on single phase. This is the transfer switch, automatic transfer switch, but now is manual transfer switch, and this is replaced by this switch here. So those are iron resistor switch, so they turn on the power resistor inside the power iron, and later is for steam. So as you can see, this here was the signal lamp, and this was the switch that turned on the power. This is resistor 1 of iron 1, and this is resistor 2 of iron 2. And it have this panel here. As I said, this is a manometer. Those pressure valves that are here, high pressure valves, that is used for hot air, hot boiling water, steam, hot steam. As you can see, this is a panel with this contactor. This is, as time you see this connection here, this is a self-holding contact that makes this to turn on, and when the switch is turned off, it doesn't have the power, so it falls down. But when the power is on, this is as hold on contact that put it in work even if the power is disconnected by mistakenly. I don't know why he used a contact here to self-hold when the power will come directly in the coil. So this could be the coil, because the contact is not used, as you can see. Normally close it, normally open too, normally close it too. So this is only the coil, guys. I was wrong because I was tired and I can see it. It was so heavy to take it to my home. So this is the full schematic, and this is what was inside this boiler that is with asbesto, is cancerogenic. This is a valve, pressure valve, that is used with this wire, and this is the resistor, as you can see here, phase, neutral and ground. The connection of this is for 3 phases, as you can see. If the person who could have been used with 3 phases, they may use it in 3 phases, but when you have only single phase or 2 phase in one side normal and one side when is surge protection and is like a second source, and is used this transfer switch to change the line to never lose the power. So it's powered by 2 sources. So this is high temperature wire, and this is used for 3 phase. So it's 5 wires, blue, red, yellow, black, brown, gray, as you can see. But he used it here only single phase, so brown, blue and green, and have been used here. And also I have this pump here that I will use for my purpose later, as you can see here. 2900 RPM, 550 watts, zero, I don't know why it says 0.37 kilowatt, 0.5 horsepower. I don't know what they are saying here. 220 to 230 volts, 5 to 40 liters per minute. The capacitor is 10 microfarad, 450 volts. So index protection is 44. Well guys, I will do experiments later with this contactor, and I will save those, even those wires, because they are huge. Maybe I will use it on ZVS projects. I have some schematics about this. I feel sad that I will remove the parts inside. I don't want to sell it, but I will remove those parts because I need it for my projects. Because in Albania it's so difficult to find parts, only if you are lucky enough to have parts like this. This was a bingo to me. As you can see, it's a limit switch here, so it's a pressure valve. I don't know why those valves didn't release all the pressure. I don't want to risk it, so I will see if I remove the air without exploding my hands. So because it have around 0.5 bar, so I will check it later, and I will start by taking apart. As I said, I will use this pump with my projects or in my households application. So this is the power rating is 3600 watt resistor, including the pump and etc, etc. As you can see, it can have been 4500 or even more. Well guys, have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment. I will surprise you with more projects, more findings, and more experiments. Have a nice day guys. Stay safe.